I would never allow anybody to kill an innocent Filipino. Pag ginawa mo yan, magtanong ka, lahat ng pulis ng Pilipinas. Pagka pumasok ka ng kidnapping, pinatay mo, patayin talaga kita. Hindi kita bubuhay. Yung ibig mong sabihin na, hindi, what I'm trying to say is that we are not employees of government out there doing about their duties, especially the police. Nakaawa naman ako dyan sa mga, just to go and shoot innocent people. Ano ito? Hunting safari sa Africa? Basta na lang pawarilin mo isang tao na walang rason? Even you, can you do it? Baka patay ka ng tao na barilin mo na walang rason, na inosente? How can that be? Give me a common sense reason kung bakit ganon. That you presumptuously